Good afternoon, all are. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic and Department of Information Technology. On today's practical session, we start the practical number 10 on course, that is subject data structure using C. Here, marks allocation for theory and practical session. Here, vision mission of department, departmental vision statement: to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission: to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build the professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to imbibe professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Your course outcome: after the completion of this practical, you achieve 4 CO, that is implement basic operations on linked list. This is the content page. Total 12 practicals are there. On today's practical session, we will study in practical, that is perform operations on singly linked list. The practical course outcome matrix in that practical number 10 will be mapped with the 4th CO, that is implement basic operations on linked list. Practical number 10 perform operations on singly linked list. All you have downloaded the lab manuals. On that practical number 10 perform operations on singly linked list. Practical significance: in order to use and perform operations on dynamic memory allocation in an application, non-continuous data structures is required. So linked list is used to organize data in non-contiguous forms. This will save wastage of memory by using dynamic memory allocation. You know that which purpose to linked list data structure is used by the when memory allocation is done from the execution. That time dynamically you will be allocate the memory. These are the program outcomes: basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiments and practices, engineering tools, communication. For that, which are the practical outcomes? Write a C program to perform basic operations, to insert, delete, traverse and search on a singly linked list. This programs is already done in a lecture number 40. On that we studied the how to run that program in through Turbo C++ software. Again I am to that demonstrate you how to run through Turbo C++ software. And that programs all are explained in a lecture number 40. To so refer lecture number 40. These are the minimum theoretical background. What is meant by linked list? In a linked list, 2 fields are there. One is the data, next is the next field. 2 fields are there. First is the data, second is the next means or address of the next elements are present in a next field. Insert a node in 3 ways: at a beginning, at end and at a given position in a linked list. Delete a node is same at a beginning, at a end and at given position in a linked list. Algorithm flowcharts, you completed it. After that, table, result, conclusion, practical related questions. 4 questions are completed it. For that, exercise question, 3 questions are there that are also completed it. Algorithm flowchart. After that, program, write a C program to perform basic operations. For operations: create, insert, delete and search. This is the resource user table, completed it. After that, practical related questions, 4 questions are there. Extra questions are given. Explain singly linked list. Exercise question in under 3 questions are there. That result, what is the result? Output of this practical attached after program. Conclusion: by this practicum, I am able to done create, insert, delete, search and display operations on singly linked list. This is a program, menu driven program of singly linked list. Again explain that program. These are the header files. These are the function declaration. Three types of function define, function declaration, function call and function definition. That time these are the function declaration. After that structure declare that in that. This is the global variable declaration. Void means start. In that variable declaration clear screen output window will be clear. Message will be displayed linked list. After that menu will be displayed. While loop is used because after time every time menu will be displayed using this printf through because it is inserted in a while loop. Switch case is used in in each case one by one functions are called, create, insert, just like. After that default case will be allocated. By default means your choice is wrong, message will be displayed under the default case. Git search. After that one by one functions will be defined. Function definition. The void create this through function linked list will be created. After that void insert at beginning through these functions will be using through insert the element at the beginning. So that at the end void insert after the position this function definition. That read the function that the code for deletion of the first node. Deletion of the middle node. After that deletion of the last node. Search the element. That display. Using the Turbo C++ that I am demonstrating to how to run that program. Already that are explained in or demonstrate in your lecture number 40. Again that are demonstrate for you. This is the program. First compile it, let run it. First create, enter the element, for example given the element 10. Okay. Again we insert at the beginning 5 given. After that we create the third choice, insert at end, for example given 20. After that choice number 4, insert after position, enter the element, for example I am given the 15, position 0 1. After that 1. After 10 15 will be displayed. Fifth, for example I am given the 5 element, deleted it, I am given the 20, also deleted it, I am given the option again 5. Okay, that's like. After that given the search the element 10 element at found at index 0. After that I am given search, for example 20 element not found. The 7 display message, display contents 8 exit 9. Wrong choice 8, exit. The program run. Okay. A summary. By this practical session to complete the practical number 10. Homework for you: prepare your practical number 10 in a notebook. Complete these contents. Here stop on today's practical session. In this practical session any doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.